Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, you guys will find videos about how to make money taking surveys, how to make money doing apps, how to make money doing simple tasks, how to make money watching videos. So you guys will get a lot of good value from my videos. And if you're new to my channel, I would like for you to like this video, share it, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you guys can get updated whenever I upload a new video. So you guys can get notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? So today, we're going to talk about the app called PinYada, okay? I talked about this today and yesterday as well, okay? So PinYada is basically a freebies app. For those of you that don't know what a freebies site is, like freebies where you do trial offers, it's like a trial offer app. Okay. Now, if those of you don't know, there's also other sites that are called freebie sites where, like Z&Z, for instance, Zip Not a Zilch. How that works is you do it, you sign up under someone, you sign up through someone's referral link, you do trial offers, you get your 1 credit, then you take your referral link and you go out, and if people sign up under your link, you get paid. So the only thing I don't like about that is you have to wait for someone to sign up under you for you to get paid. So with this app, even if people don't sign up under you, you can still get paid. Basically, all you got to do is complete the offers, and I've already showed you guys in my previous video about on this app what offers to complete to get your points. So once you get up to 1,000 points with this app, you cash out $10. And I told you I'd make a video. I told one of my subscribers that I would make a payment proof video once I got the $10 showing you that this app does pay. So we're going to go ahead and look at the app right now. This shows you what you have to do here. You join with either your Facebook or your Google account and connect with popular brands and earn cash for trying new product and services. You swipe right or tap the green check mark to view the offer and earn. So if you guys want to view the offer and you want to complete the offer, you just hit the green check mark. If you don't want to and you just want to look, you want to skim through the offers, you hit the red X, okay? You hit the red X and it takes you to the next offer, and you guys can choose, what offers to do, okay? So I showed you guys in my video what offers I did, okay? And you basically, once you make up to 1,000 points, you can get paid, okay? You guys can go as high as you or as low as you want on this app. It's up to you. If you want to make $15, you can make $15. I don't know. I know I got paid. I withdrew the money this morning, but I don't know what time, how long it took. I think it took like an hour, maybe 2 hours before it was sent to my PayPal. So remember, the app again is called PinYada, and it's for iPhones. It's for iPhones and iPads, okay? iPhones and iPads only. It's only available on the App Store, so if you have an iPhone and an iPad, you can install this app on your devices, if it's an iPhone or an iPad, okay? And this app pays, you guys. I'm going to show you proof that I got paid from it, okay? So it has a 4.4 star rating out of 5. Let's see here. You have people this app has been out for a while. So it says, it was a great app that I loved and used for literally at least 6 months. Made a lot of money, and my first payout was fast. So, sorry about that. So these are just some reviews on the app. But I got my payment today. I cashed out my $10, my 1,000 points for $10, and I actually got paid today. So I'm going to show you guys that proof right now. So it's got a 4.4 star rating, and it's available requires iOS 10.0 or later, compatible with iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Okay, age is 17 plus. You can be 17 years old or older to play. Okay, so this is a really great app, you guys. I'm telling you right now. you really should think about signing up with this. Now, you will have to invest some money into some of these offers, and you guys already know this. I talked about an offer that's called LifeLock. All you do, it's $8, you guys. You just pay $8, and it's a 30-day trial offer, and you can cancel it like on the 25th day, and you get your $8 back. So they refund you your $8. Okay, so it's worth it, you guys. The offers I talk about on this app are worth it. Okay, so if you guys are interested in making some money with PinYada, I highly recommend that you install this app because it does pay. I will leave the link in my referral link in the description below so you guys can sign up and start earning money. I know a lot of you have iPhones, iPads, iPods, whatever. So go ahead and let's get it. So I'm going to take you over to my PayPal account and show you guys that I got paid. Okay. Okay, so here we are on my PayPal account, and as you guys see, PinYada LLC paid me $10. Okay, let's click on that. You see? I got paid today. I cashed out today, earlier today, and I got paid $10 from the app PinYada LLC, an amount of $10. So this app does pay. You guys, this is not fake. I showed you guys a video that I made this morning that I made it to my 1,000. I had 1,020 points, and then I showed you guys that I redeemed it for $10, and I showed you guys me confirming my PayPal account, and you guys seen that on my video that I made this morning. So if you don't believe me, go back to that video and I show you proof that I not only did I get to 1,000 points, but I cashed out. I cashed that 1,000 points out, and now I'm showing you payment proof that I got paid from the app. This is the same exact app. PinYada LLC is what's going to show up when you get paid. And this is $10, and I got this today, and I just downloaded the app yesterday. Okay? So I'm telling you guys, you're going to get 500 points when you sign up. My advice to you is do the ABC Mouse offer. That's 240 points. That gives you 740 points. And all you got to do is have 1 cent for that one. Do the Credit Karma. Do the Credit Sesame. And do the green dot card one, and you guys will get your 1,000 points. So do the ABC Mouse offer. You just need 1 cent on your card. If you guys don't have 1 cent or whatever, just do those dollar websites I told you about, and you will get that. Okay, or even download the app Buzzbreak and start using that, and you will be able to cash out. You will be able to get that and be able to do the trial offers. Okay, I'm telling you about on PinYada. But if you guys do have 1 cent on a debit card or a bank card, just do the ABC Mouse app offer on the PinYada app. Do the Credit Karma, do the Credit Sesame, and do the Green Dot card. The Green Dot card's free. All you do is register, and they send you the card in the mail. It is a cashback card. It's free to sign up. You don't have to pay anything. But Credit Karma and Credit Sesame are free. So is Green Dot. You just sign up, and then you gotta do ABC Mouse, which is 1 cent. Okay, so there you guys go. Payment proof that I got paid from PinYada. So $10 payment proof. I hope you guys sign up. I hope you guys make videos on it, letting other people know about this app. Because there's only 3 videos. There was 2 videos on YouTube about this. Now there's going to be 3. Okay. I did my research. I only saw 2 videos up on this about this app. So this is going to be the 3rd video on YouTube about it. So I hope you guys go ahead and make videos on it, tell other people about your success. And I will be bringing you guys more videos as well. Also, if you're interested in making $100 and increasing your income, I would like for you guys to visit my new YouTube channel, Your Financial Freedom Matters, and subscribe to my channel so you guys can get notified whenever I upload videos about how you guys can make $100 or more with the opportunities that I do, the other opportunities I'm a part of. So like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a video. Take care, you guys.